Hello everyone, how to fix errors when running programs, codes in Python and Express in JavaScript in any language in CMD, which is a DOS prompt using Chat GPT. So we are running this program gha.python using the Python in the CMD. So and these are all the errors happen. So we will copy these errors and paste in ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to find solution for these errors. So how to copy? To copy, right click here, right click in this errors and press enter. Now it's copy in the clipboard. Go to anywhere and paste it, it will be pasted. Okay, so we go to directly to the ChatGPT now and paste, and before paste ask ChatGPT, can you help me to fix the following errors? The following Python program errors, and for the next and then paste and then give the order to ChatGPT. So he tell you the story. The error message indicates that there is an issue with acquiring impersonated credentials in your Python program, specifically the IAM service account credentials API has not been used in the project. So it gives you the link where you are going. The second step, you should log with appropriate Google account. He tell you the solution. If the API is disabled, you should see an option to enable it. In this case, he tell you what these codes mean and how to solve this problem. Wait for few minutes to allow the change number 4 and number 5. Enter your Python program after enabling the IAM service account credentials API. Thanks for watching the video. Very simple, very easy using ChatGPT to fix errors in any programming.